Seeing as we're twins, we have to present 2 awards, because one for John, one for Edward. So the next award is Children's and Young People. It's a very important award because that's where it all starts. Kids watch TV, inspires them, and who knows?
Growing up, we watched Ray Darcy, didn't we, out on the Den? He was amazing.
He had great hair.
Yeah, he did.
Anyway,
Now he's got his own show.
Wanderly Wagon wheeled onto our stage.
Wheel, like a horse and carriage.
And it was the best show ever.
It was. I was that... Yeah, way back there to watch that program.
Yes, it was the Ferrari of the times. Anyway, they're still making great TV. Here are the nominees.
Well, I was meant to say that. I was meant to say
Our Farm.
My name is Alva. Hi, I'm Bertha. Hi, I'm Lee. I'm Sarah. That's our mommy and daddy. Our farm.
Shutterbugs.
Yeah, we see chicks. We see chicks there's chicks in there.
So what's the head count? How many can you see, you think?
We see 2 chicks.
Selfie Freud.
Cosla, ribbing agus glibbing.
Hey, Wooly!
Agus our cards and nua.
Tutu.
And here I am on the Oscar red carpet, something that I thought I would never say.
As you said, you're only 14, so what's going to be happening for you for the next couple of years?
Edward, this award is close at our hearts. We were nominated twice.
We're nominated twice for this and we didn't win. So if you don't win, don't worry about
There's still hope. We're
Gabe Byrne is right there. High five.
He's looking great. He actually looks like James Bond there. He looks great.
Anyway, the IFTA goes to John. You open. I'm too shaky. You open it. Good job.
All right, let's just do it. This is really like... Okay, I'm sorry, everyone.
We should be experts at this opening fan mail, but we're not.
Okay, here we go. Here is the winner. And you all did amazing. Tutu, awesome. We love you guys. Okay, all right. The winner is Our Farm. Let's go. Congratulations.
Amazing.
Well done.
Oh, thank you very much. I can't believe this. I'm shaking. Firstly, I hadn't really prepared a speech, but I must thank RT Young Peoples and Pauline McNamara and Sheila De Courcy and the BAI, Kieran and everybody for giving us the money to make this. And most importantly, I must thank Debbie and Fergal Doyle for allowing us into their lives and their farm. And thank Paula Rouse, who directed and shot it, and Craig Spear, who edited it so nicely and gently. And the people who aren't here tonight, the 4 stars of the evening, who brought everybody and every little person into their life to see what it is like living on the farm, working for your dad and getting all those cows and sheep and everybody in shape. To Liam and Dervla and Alva and Phelim, thank you. You were just brilliant. Thank you very much.